Today, March 21st, 2026, I came across this 1987 Dodge Raider, and let's just say it's seen better days. What a lot of people don't realize is this little SUV actually started life as a Mitsubishi Montero. In its early years, the Montero evolved with upgrades like alloy wheels, heated front seats, and even a premium sound system. Then Dodge stepped in and rebadged the two-door version as the Raider from 1987 to 1989, aiming it straight at the North American market. They marketed it as a tough, no-nonsense SUV, right up there with the Jeep Wrangler of its time. You could get it with a 4-cylinder, a diesel, or a 3.0-liter V6, and every single one came with part-time 4-wheel drive. And judging by what I'm looking at, this one spent years out here in the desert doing exactly what it was built for, off-roading hard and earning every bit of that wear.